How to gain vocal resonance. Resonance is a very important aspect of the human voice, and in fact having a resonant voice creates resonance of another kind, the greater understanding of your listeners. Now, an acoustic guitar string plucked taut out of its packet from the music shop doesn't sound like a guitar, does it? But when it resonates against the hollow body of a guitar itself, those vibrations sound louder, much more depth, and much more interesting. Learning how to create resonance in the human voice will also make your voice richer and sound much more authoritative and interesting too.
First of all, you need to banish tensions, and this means around the shoulders and neck areas. Physical tensions around the muscles where the voice is produced can create a nasty and strained output, which is not nice on the listener's ear. Do some shoulder rolls. Massage each shoulder with the opposite hand, and mentally try to forget any hassles in your life and try to go to your happy place. A very easy way to improve your vocal resonance is by low humming exercises. Low humming is something that you can do even when traveling or walking along, and it helps get the vocal cords looser, and in doing so helps to achieve vocal resonance. Try to aim for at least 10 minutes of low humming per day. It won't harm your vocal cords and has therapeutic effects on top of the soothing sounds you can hear.
Now we want you to put one hand on the upper chest. When you're deep humming, feel your hand getting any of the vibrations coming through. You can hum at progressively lower notes and see what note gives the best vibrations coming through to your hand. Hum, 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 hum. The most intense vibrations would be when your voice is humming at the right resonant frequency with your own body cavities that amplify your own voice. Now, as you keep lowering the note, as you noted with me there, you'll find that you will lose some power, some volume. That's natural, but try to take some nice, big, deep diaphragmatic breaths and discover the musical note of the hum that gives the biggest vibrations to your hand on the upper chest for you. Now, once you've found this, if you're musical, write down the actual note you've found is your resonant value. This is the musical note you can try to reach daily or even exceed with your low humming exercises. And you can even try speaking at that note as well, unless it's so low, it's impossible. But don't worry, you're relaxing the body with this humming exercise. It'll become easier to hit this resonant situation, and your normal speaking voice will start to include this resonant note as a harmonic naturally if you do this exercise regularly. Doing this is almost like turning up the volume on your stereo's subwoofer bass loudspeaker. It's all very clever.
Now, it's all very well to speak with a resonant voice, but to communicate well, what about clarity? We'll cover that in our next video. See you then.
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.